auxiliary belt on a Toyota Previa. It's a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder engine that they have in a few different models. So to start off with, look at the position of all of the pulleys and the way that the belt goes, and then draw yourself a little diagram. So draw one like this. So I've put the positioning of all of the pulleys, and then I've noted down what they are. So there's the alternator, the air conditioning, the water pump, the tensioner, the power steering, and then the crankshaft pulley. And then I've drawn the route in which the belt goes, so that way when we take it off, just in case I was to forget, it's there so I can see which way it needs to go back on. So you're going to need a 19mm socket. Locate this little tab, which is what we're going to put the socket onto. So just like that. Then we're going to press it down, so in a clockwise, like we're going clockwise. It can be quite stiff, so you might need an extra bar or a longer ratchet or whatever to help you. And once you've got it loose enough, then you can start to undo the belt. That's it. And once you've taken the belt off, then you can release the pressure from the socket, and then you can start removing the belt. So we're just going to remove it from all of the pulleys. Some bits are easier to get to than others. Just be careful with it, you don't need to pull it hard. That's it, and that's out. So you can see all the cracks that are on this old belt, which is why we're replacing it. So check to make sure the belt is the right one, which in this case it's not. They've sent us the wrong part. So obviously make sure it's the right one. If it's the wrong one like this is, you can't fit the wrong one because you're going to end up missing out on one of the pulleys. So I'm going to reinstall the old one for now until I get a replacement one, but it's the same process as if it's a new belt. So we're going to put the belt back in. I'm going to try and make sure I get it around the crankshaft. Once you've got it back in position as much as you can, apart from the last little bit, put the socket back on, just like that, and then we're going to pull it back again. That's it. And just push it into position and relieve the tension. And you might just need a torch and just make sure that it's sitting on all the pulleys evenly, which it looks like it is. If they're slightly to the side, for example on this one where it goes from the back, so it's on the smooth side and not on the ribbed side, then once you turn it on, it will self-center itself. And that's it, remove the socket. And you'll be done. Obviously I'm going to have to redo it again, but I'll redo it off camera once I've got the right part, but it's the same process. And that's it, you're done. It's all good. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.